Hi and welcome to another Waterra video. Today is going to be a short video kind of replying to some of the questions that we get. The big question is how to replace the batteries in our water level tapes. Now, no matter what configuration you use, whether it's the real case or these two well tapes here, it's the same way to change the batteries for all of them. So, tools you're going to need: Phillips screwdriver, this little prying tool that comes with each one of our water level tapes, and 4 batteries. So let's jump in and get this started. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is lay the unit flat and remove these 2 Phillips head screws. This will give you access to the internals of the unit. Alright, so once the screws are off, we want to remove the front cover and pry it up here. Now what you're going to see is the circuit board. Now this circuit board is held on by 4 Phillips head screws, 2, 3, and 4. And once you remove these screws, we can get access to the batteries underneath. Alright, so now that we have the screws off, we want to use our plastic prying tool to pry up the circuit board. Now you want to pry at the 3 o'clock and the 9 o'clock position. The reason for that is where the connector pins that connect the circuit board to the rest of the unit are located. So here you can see the batteries. Now I'm not going to replace these batteries because these are still good. So when we put it back, we want to make sure that the 6 pins here line up with those 6 pins, and the slot for the 4 pins line up with those 4 pins there. So when you're putting it back, make sure that you line everything up. You don't want to bend those pins. So here I am lining everything up. And then I will push down, once everything's lined up, on the green part of the circuit board to not interfere with any electronics. So now that we've done that, I will replace the screws and reverse the whole process. So this came to us as a customer request, and if you have any other comments or questions, please leave them in the comments below. Now what I'm doing here is lining up the power button with the yellow power button on the circuit board. That way we know the faceplate is in the correct position. Screw that back on. Again, if you have any other questions or you want to check out any other videos, just head over to waterra.com. Remember to like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. And check us out at www.waterra.com. Thanks.